Meet DARA, the Dynamic Arm Rehabilitation Assistant. DARA consists of a general-purpose robotic arm, repurposed for upper extremity rehabilitation, and includes a shelf of 3D-printed everyday objects. The 6 degree of freedom robotic arm is able to move in all directions like a human arm and has a reach of approximately 850 millimeters, acting as a functional, collaborative, and adaptive robotic system specifically designed to retrain both reach and grasp. The system facilitates individualized rehabilitation through interaction with everyday objects to promote functional carryover into everyday activities. For the exercise, the participant is seated comfortably in front of DARA. The robot first calibrates the user's functional range of motion. Based on this calibration, the robot then picks 3D printed objects from the shelf and presents them at different positions and orientations. 75% of the time, the objects are presented within the participant's reachable workspace, and 25% of the time, the objects are presented slightly outside the participant's reach, encouraging them to reach even further. These objects are presented in a controlled, repeatable way to support task-specific training. Overall, its usefulness will continue to expand through the integration of other technologies and deployment across clinical, research, and community-based rehabilitation settings. DARA supports engaging and motivating therapy experiences that translate rehabilitation gains into everyday activities. DARA represents a shift toward accessible, consistent, and repeatable rehabilitation that reduces clinician burden while promoting meaningful, real-world functional recovery.